I'm going to shift our focus over here to ControlOR and keep reverting back to this diagram to distinguish the differences between how a software solution like ControlOR and a hardware solution such as a typical video integration solution differ. To start with, I'm going to load up three basic video assets that you might see in an OR and an angio room, whatever. This is very cardiac based in this case, but bear with me. You can see that what we've done is we've created a software platform that handles video extremely well. If we revert back to our diagram here in just a minute, you'll see that I'm not going to a centralized nurse command station to make these changes. I'm actually able to do that at any panel that I'm at. So if I would like to change the format of this, move these formats around so that I can have a little bit more flexibility, I can change the height and width of these on the fly. This can all be done right out of the box with ControlOR. Automatically now we have already encompassed about 90% of the functionality that I showed you over there. Each panel has got content I can load up dynamically. I can change the layout of that, and I can blow it up, expand it, and so forth with very little effort using either drag and drop technology or using the specific buttons that are there. If you remember, at the nurse command station over here, this is where my templates would be set up. So if I wanted this particular monitor to have a split screen, they've got some software packages in here that allow this functionality on top of this video switch, and the nurse can actually page through a series of templates until they find the one that they want, and then they have to assign the content accordingly. So it's a very manual process to get something laid out the way that I want it. With ControlOR, it's quite simple. If I want to manipulate the content into a different format, either using a mouse and keyboard if that's what I wish to do, or using the touchscreen interface, I can manipulate this in any way that I'd like.